In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import SVG and convert to editable shapes without rasterizing in PowerPoint. If you've ever brought in a logo or icon and noticed it looks blurry when you resize it, that's usually because it was rasterized, turned into pixels, somewhere along the way. SVGs are vector graphics, which means they scale cleanly. The key is importing them correctly and then converting them to shapes so you can edit every piece without losing quality. Start by inserting the SVG the right way. In PowerPoint, go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, then This Device, and select your .svg file from your computer. This path ensures PowerPoint recognizes it as a vector graphic. Avoid copying and pasting from a web browser or dragging it straight from a web page. That can force PowerPoint to treat it like a bitmap, which defeats the purpose and can make it look fuzzy when resized. Bringing it in through Insert keeps the file in its proper vector form from the start. Once the SVG is on your slide, click to select it. At this stage, it behaves like a picture, and you'll typically see the Graphic Format tab appear in the ribbon. Selection is important because the next command acts on the object you have highlighted. Make sure you're clicking the actual SVG and not the slide background or another shape nearby. If you see resize handles around the edges, you've got the correct object selected. Now convert it to shapes. Right-click directly on the SVG and choose Convert to Shape. This tells PowerPoint to turn the vector illustration into individual drawing objects you can edit. In some older versions of PowerPoint, you might see Ungroup instead of Convert to Shape. Choose Ungroup in that case to achieve the same result. Converting is what unlocks full control over fills, outlines, and individual parts of the graphic while keeping everything vector-based. When PowerPoint prompts you to confirm, click Yes to convert to drawing objects. After this confirmation, the SVG is no longer a single container. It becomes a collection of editable shapes. You can select pieces independently, change colors, adjust lines, and scale the entire graphic without introducing blur. Just remember that once converted, it's not an embedded SVG anymore, so it won't update automatically if the original file changes. That's it. Insert through the Pictures command, select the SVG, convert it to shape, and confirm. Follow these steps, and you'll preserve crisp edges, gain precise editing, and avoid rasterization every time.